all right, there is a civil war in Web3 happening between people that like doing outreach and people that don't like doing outreach. I'm obviously in the outreach camp, but at the end of the day, most of the people ask me like, Nicolai, what's the point? Why should I even do outreach? Like, I have friends, I have business, I have partners. They just refer business to me. Like, it's so easy. True, and true. For most of the people, if you're okay just doing referrals and just having the network and selling to them, amazing. You don't have to do outreach. Outreach is a very hard job to do, and I wouldn't wish anybody who doesn't have to do it to go and do it. Like, it just doesn't make any sense. But there are a few reasons specifically why you want to do outreach. The most important one is because you want to be in the control. As a salesperson, you don't control almost anything. I don't control if you're gonna buy my product or not. I do not control your pain points. I do not control your life situation. Maybe you're looking for a promotion or you're afraid to get fired, whatever. But what I control is the way that I'm reaching out to you and the way that I'm doing a demo to you, the way that we are talking, the way that I'm steering up the conversation. Usually in Web3 specifically, a lot of people are stuck and they're being almost like held hostages of the referral system because they have something that they've established a couple of like months or years ago that was working very well for them and been serving good business for them. Suddenly, let's say you put yourself an ambitious goal for Q4 of 2025 or for 2026, and you understand that it's not possible for you to hit on that goal because your referrals are sending you not enough amount of business, or the quality starts to go lower. Like, you were used to work with the top tier 1 exchanges, and now you're getting tier 3 exchanges, and you have to compromise, either start working with tier 3 or just turn them down, and again, you don't have enough business. That's the main reason. You want to extend your reach. You want to go and you want to talk to everybody, and outreach gives you that opportunity. You control who you reach out to. You control what do you message to them. You reach out, how good is your message. Very nice. Next one is sales rep that can't create their own pipe, is dependent sales rep. Nothing bad about that, but you're just being dependent, and if you're dependent, you're easily replaceable. In a couple of years, we'll see what happens with the AI automation, with this intent picking up, with these signals and all this, blah, 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 that's happening on the market right now. But you need to know how to create your own pipe, and that's the main skill. You need to have this muscle of going up to somebody and saying, hi, my name is Nicolai. Do you want to talk about Enrich? And that's important. And at the end of the day, it makes you truly rich. So I've seen a lot of people that made a lot of money just by, selling to their own networks. But the companies that are truly that own the place, they always do outreach. They always go and they always push for somebody. So if you want to be among them, if you want to learn how to do outreach, first of all, there is a prospecting channel. I think maybe 50 videos on the channel right now already about just how to do prospecting from every beginning till the end. And there's going to be a special course coming up only for the Web3 Sales Gym peeps. There's going to be a link, first one description, just sign up to that, and you're going to be in the wait list and gonna get a good discount for the beginning of it. We're going to talk about the full prospecting strategy. It's going to be a very easy framework in order to establish 30% plus reply rates. We're going to talk about that. So stick around, and if you want to see more from the Web3 Sales Gym, of course, there's community, there's YouTube. You can also message me, and thank you so much. Thank you for having a great day, for jumping by. Next video, we're also going to talk about a very interesting topic, so wait until the next time.